Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are going to be making a jelly emulsified sugar scrub, and this scrub came out so nice. It was really good. Trust me, you guys are going to love this recipe. So here are a couple of ingredients I'll be using to make my scrub. They are already measured out, so let's just get right into the video. To get started with making my scrub, I will start with my water phase. And for my water phase, I have some distilled water, some glycerine, and some xanthan gum. So they are already measured out. What I'm going to do is I will combine my xanthan gum together with my glycerine. So this way, my xanthan gum can easily disperse throughout my water together with the glycerine. I'll just stir that properly to combine together. And once it's thoroughly combined together, I'll pour this into my water. Then I'll just stir together very well for everything to combine together, and you're going to notice that your water will turn jelly almost immediately. So the water has turned jelly. This is my water phase. I'll set that aside. Then I'll work on my heated oil phase. For my heated oil phase in this beaker, I have some stearic acid and some emulsifying wax. So into that, I will add in my shea butter. And then I'm going to pour in my sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can decide to skip the shea butter if you don't want it, but I want it in my scrub, so they're all good together. And now this is my heated oil phase. Everything are well combined together. And this is my heated water phase. The water has turned jelly because of the xanthan gum. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to double boil the two phases together. And after double boiling, this is my heated water phase and my heated oil phase. They are well heated. I'll just get another clean bowl. I'll pour in my oil phase into my bowl, and then I will pour in my water phase, which has turned jelly already. So I'll just pour that together. Then I am going to, stick blend this together to combine the two phases together. So you're just going to stick blend very well and make sure your two phases are well combined together. And this emulsion is quite thick because of the xanthan gum, and at the same time it's cool down very quickly because of the xanthan gum in the emulsion. I am just going to allow this to cool down very well after I have already stick blend thoroughly together very well. I'll allow it to cool down, then I will add in the rest of my ingredients. And now this is my base. It has already taken up and it has cooled down. I'm going to add in some papain enzyme into my base. So why am I using papain enzyme in this scrub? Papain enzyme is an exfoliating um, ingredient. Yeah, it's a fruit enzyme that helps to exfoliate the skin, to get rid of dead skin cells, and it's really exfoliate deeply into the skin. So which is why I decided to use papain enzyme. You can skip this if you don't have papain enzyme. I'll just mix that thoroughly and make sure it is well combined together. And now I will be adding in my next ingredient. Here I have some fragrance oil, and I have some vitamin E oil and some essential oil. So I want to add in my Germall Plus preservative into the mixture. After adding my Germall Plus preservative, I'm going to get my scrub base, and then I will add in my mixture into my scrub base. So I'm just trying to stir that together to make sure they're well combined. And I'll pour this into my base. And I'm going to give that a very nice stir together to make sure all of the ingredients are properly combined together. Then I'll place my bowl back on my scale to add in my sugar. So for my abrasive, I'm using some white sugar. You can use brown sugar, Dead Sea salt, or any other kind of abrasive of your choice. Then I'll give this a very good mix to make sure the sugar and my base are well combined together. So I feel like this is not really strong enough, so I want to add in more sugar. You can add in more or less sugar in your scrub. It depends on how you want, you want your scrub to come out. Then I'm just going to give this another good stir together to make sure everything are well combined together. Then I'll be adding in my last ingredient, which is my mustard seed. The mustard seed in this scrub is just to, beautify my scrub. And if you're a regular on my channel, you should know that I always love to do this. And now this is what my scrub look like. Just look at how gorgeous it looks already. So let's add in some mica color, to give the scrub a more vibrant look. And I will stir that into my scrub. And this is how you make your emulsified gel sugar scrub. Or you can call this an emulsified jelly sugar scrub. Just look at how beautiful the scrub looks. I really, really love this. And I hope you guys are going to, love this recipe as well. If you've watched this video to this point, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate you. And to my, returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.